Hello and welcome to another special process love candy. In today's drawing challenge we're going to be drawing birds, so get out those pencils or devices and let's get ready. Now for a little quick tip, pay attention to the volumes in these different characters that we're going to be drawing. Try to push and expand those shapes to get more character into each drawing. This will help define a difference between each of your birds and also push your subject matter into something more interesting and more creative. Remember to put away your eraser, you're not going to have time to rub anything out. This is about becoming bolder and more expressive with your craft and becoming a better illustrator. We've got 8 different birds here to draw, all only 30 seconds each, so get quick on those pens. And let's have some fun, shall we? Alright, let's get started. So we've got a few birds here ready to go. I took these recordings while I was out in my local suburb. Starting with the duck. Pushing that neck. If there are any of these birds that you want to see more of, add a little note down in the comments, because I can always do a session just on that one type of bird. I get lots of these birds around in my area because I live right next to a big lake. So let's get this home before it's too late. How'd you go on your first one? There's my little duck. He's a funny little fella. Or maybe it's a girl, I'm not really sure. Let's move on to the next drawing. Getting myself a fresh lever. Let's get ready. This is just what do they call these? Common blackbird. I think they're native to my area, but we've got a few of them. These ones are a little bit harder to get a snap of because they're so quick. Running around, it's got a massive eye though, so I'm just going to make that even bigger. Came out a bit big, but that just pushes the character there. It looks a little bit funny. I don't know why, but I'm going to do a bit of the fence it's sitting on, just to accentuate it. There we go, there's my bird. Tried to get a nice selection of different birds in this video just so we can really warm up today and try something new and different. So let's get ready for the next one. Oh, this little birdie pigeon was sitting there getting warm underneath the bridge. Thought it was quite a nice little moment, something different. I do like their little skivvies they have. Quite funny. That neck even smaller down there. Got such a big eye. Oh, now they're finished. I'm just going to get that beak in a little bit late, hey? There we go. There's my little squat pigeon. This is fun. Alright, let's get ready for our next one. Let's see what we're going to have here. And it is the Crested Pigeon. Let's just get that shape in there. This one's got more of a diamond shape in there. And this time I'm going to push that head to be even smaller. Just for a bit of fun. There's a big crest up there. Let's get those wings. Semblance of feet there, even though I can't see them. And there's my Crested Pigeon. It's a bit of a fun one, making it look a little bit silly, but I think it makes it look interesting and just trying something different. Alright, let's get ready. Hope everyone's feeling nice and warmed up for today. What have we got here? A magpie. Oh my gosh, these guys are so hard to draw. I think I'm used to drawing crows so much that when it comes to magpies, I'm a little bit rusty. They are from the same family, but they've got such a subtle different shape. And oh, this guy's singing. is he eating? Out of time, but I've got to get those markings in. They're unique for every single magpie. There we go, there's my magpie. Not too bad, a little bit rusty, but gonna get better on the next one. This is all about warming up and getting better every time you do a drawing. Alright, let's get ready for the next one. And sulfur crested cockatoo. Just going to get that overall shape in this time. I think I've been lacking that in my previous drawings. And that little tiny eye down there, so cute. Ah, lovely. And then the foot up here holding the pine needles. And I'm going to go a little over this one so I can get main shape down. There we go, there's my soft crested cockatoo. We've got plenty of these guys in the area, so if you want me to get more photos of them, I'll might do another session just on the cockatoo. Alright, ready for the next one? We've got 2 more left, and we have a blue heron. We don't get many of these ones in our area, but they come in when the rain happens, and I'm lucky I live right next to a lake, so we get lots of beautiful birds there. So let's get this one similar to that. There's the wing, underside, and let's get those legs in. I'm out of time, but I need to stretch this one so I can get those feet in. This is a 30-second challenge. I didn't say I would win it. How are you doing? There's mine done. A little bit late, but oh well. Alright, one more drawing. Very last one. Let's see what our last bird is. The crow. Get that shape in. Can't see those legs, but I know they're under there. Crow has a different shape to the magpie, as they've got their wings are a bit different. God, how intense is that eye? Missed a few of the other features, but oh well. Let's just finish up those feet. I can't even see them, so I should probably just put the grass in there. That'd be better. There's my little crow. Well, I hope you had a wonderful time drawing with me today. Oh, let's say goodbye to this. Let's say goodbye to that, what is that, Rosella, is it nicked off? Bye! Anyway, here's a quick little montage of all the birds that we've drawn here in today's session. I've really enjoyed this. It's been a fun little warm-up. Good practice on drawing something different. I hope you've all had a lot of fun too. You've been hanging out with Sheardo, and I will see you in the sunshine. Keep on drawing, people.